So I mean, we gonna do business. Or?
Yeah, ain't nothing I can do. You came by and seen my son last night. I ain't expecting you back today, but he told me, when I told him on the phone,
Right.
he was coming back, so.
Right, yeah. Yeah, I told Keita last night, I was like, you know, I was gonna do business last night, but like I said, you had the water leak you had to deal with at Ennis. And guess we're blocking whoever right here, so I said I'll come back. I told him to come by in the morning, so I sent him a text this morning, and you know, asked what would be a good time to come by.
He just not told me.
Okay.
Man, I'm sorry, but he did come by last night, my son.
Yes.
He's about a few minutes late, though. It's been coming.
Oh, hey, I understand. It's
So you gonna sell him?
Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead since he came by last night. Him and my son together. I'm sorry, I ain't know they were coming back, but I said, you know, whoever got here. You want me to dodge?
Yes, sir.
I gotta bring the title.
Okay. Either if you want to just leave with my dad, that's fine.
Right there.
Right on.
Mr. Miller?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, I didn't even know you Keita's there. I see you all the time, man. You know.
Yeah, I ain't no man.
Like I said, I don't want to put you in no, you know, y'all friends.
You came last night. You came up.
And how long has it been sitting out here?
About 2 months.
And anybody came by and done anything?
I just pulled it up here.
Oh. Yeah, I was headed back to the house last night. So I was like, let me swing back by. And when I saw it with the title, I was like, well, shoot, you know, that make a difference. So.
Yeah, I got the title.
Keita said it, and, you know, he cranked it the other day.